Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of Microsoft Edge, you might have noticed that in certain circumstances it actually freezes, and it happens since the cumulative updates that were released a few weeks ago. So basically what happens is that if you use just one tab, it's fine. If you use multiple tabs, it could be okay, as long as there's no dialog boxes that actually pop up in one of them. If that happens, it creates a issue where the browser will crash, will freeze actually. And so this is an issue that Microsoft has acknowledged in the past week and a half. They say that a fix will be arriving, but in July. So until then, there is, just try to use single tabs, or make sure that the tabs that you're going to add will not actually suddenly have some form of dialog boxes that it's going to open without you knowing it, because that might actually have a freeze in the browser. So it's another issue. It was actually added with the cumulative updates, the preview updates. So when the last preview updates of the month of May actually happened, it created that problem. And of course, it added when those that don't install the preview updates usually were installing the cumulative updates for security, because it added those preview updates at the same time. So it might actually happen. I've not had any problems using Edge. I've not had any crashes, but I do have several tabs open often, but I rarely have tabs that will actually pop up anything in another tab for a question or anything. So some of you might actually never noticed it, depending on the way that you use the browser. So Microsoft says a fix will happen, but in July, so have to be patient. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.